anything else? I noticed in your report it was no major stressors. You're drinking anywhere from 5 to 6 ounces of water a day. Okay. Yeah. Was there anything else you wanted me to pay attention to? Maybe any headaches, neck tightness, any upper back?
It's just this part right here at the most. Everything else is fine.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna lay face down. Head's gonna go right there. Okay. Here we go. It's raining outside, boy.
Yeah.
That headpiece okay? Okay, we're gonna start right here.
Pampers, the #1 pediatrician recommended brand, helps keep baby skin drier and healthier, so every touch will protect like the first. Pampers.
This spring, you can spend your free time at the best place for your kids.
I might hit the bone that you sit on, okay?
Okay. Awesome prizes and more. School's out and fun is in at the Springtastic celebration, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay. Relax this leg. Hips closer. Perfect. Right there. I'm gonna put this arm up. Now, so you're gonna give yourself a soft hug. You're gonna bend this knee and bring it up, just like this. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to push this leg down, and your upper body is gonna go that way.
Okay.
So we're gonna get a twist right here. So you're just gonna look that way for me, lean back. Yeah. One more here. There we go. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go.
That felt good.
That's it. Alright, flip.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's good.
That was good. Bring this up for you. There you go.
Okay.
Hips a little closer. Right there. Same thing. Straighten the bottom leg out.
Okay.
I'll take this arm out from under. Okay. We're gonna work that one. Soft tug. Alright, here we go. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Good. Alright. Go to lay on your stomach and let's check it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I didn't even really feel it.
Told you. Now we're even. You went from a short right leg to
Really?
even. It was just a little bit. Still tender?
Yes.
How's it tender here?
No, not down there.
It's here.
Yeah.
Alright. We're going to get to that in a minute. Alright. So for this next one, you'll take a deep breath in. And as you blow out, I'm going to press straight down here.
Okay.
Alright. Don't push up off the floor. Drop your shoulders. Yeah. Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop your shoulders. There we go. Alright. You're going to pick your head straight back and let it fall right there. Drop your shoulder. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let those hands fall.
Oh, yes.
Back to center for me, real quick. Back to center.
Okay.
So
Oh,
you're
center?
yeah.
Okay.
Let me just check it out. Straight back and then over, right there. All the way out. Beautiful. All right. So because you have your head and hair in a bonnet, we're gonna go ahead and. Headaches? No headaches?
Well, during my pregnancy, I had a lot of headaches.
You did? I wish you would have been able to find me during your pregnancy.
When you first came, it was about time for me to go in.
I could have got you. Drop your head. And just relax, let it fall in my hand. That's it. There we go. I have another patient. She's 39 weeks and she's 2 centimeters, and I'm still adjusting her. We're waiting for her. I haven't heard from her today, so there's a possibility she might went in already. Turn your head in, kind of a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So for this next one, you're going to take your hands and you're going to interlace them.
Okay.
I'm going to come behind you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Scoot back just a little bit. Perfect. My arms are going to go through here, so interlace your fingers.
Okay.
Alright, so you're going to follow me.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. So we're going to get a good stretch in, okay? So you take a deep breath in. All the way out. Alright, one more time. Deep breath in. Let it all go this time. Look up to the ceiling for me.
Ooh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to check out that, we're going to do your ears,
Okay.
and then we're going to check out your ribs. I'm going to see what's causing that pain right there.
Okay.
Make sure your ribs are alright. I think she might have got kicked real good. Because it's about the size of a
He
little
used
bitty,
it.
it's about the size of a little foot.
What was
Like where that area
Yeah.
that hurts is about the size of a little foot. It's
But I
only about
probably
that
did
big.
get kicked.
But we'll check it out. Alright, so for this next one, I'm just going to give your ear a little bit of a tug, okay?
this
Mhm.
Negro here?
Let your head follow me. Do me a favor, take that earring out for me. It'll just be for a second.
It's hard to shit. Oh. Cause I got the back on so tight. Babe, pull this off.
What?
My earring.
Your shoe?
Okay. What do you recommend besides the, like the heavy boots? Like, what do you recommend?
Well, you want to get something like a Dr. Soul, something that will help
Okay.
with the support and the form.
Okay.
Because those are good, like the steel toe ones,
Mhm.
you know, in case you drop something,
Right.
you know. But that concrete isn't very giving,
Yeah.
so. And I'll give you some exercises to do
Okay.
at home to help with preventing your arch from going, you know.
Okay. Mhm.
Ooh, somebody had a pizza to pay. Drop this elbow. No sinuses?
Mhm.
You do have sinuses?
Yes.
Have any now? Okay. Alright, we're gonna sit up on 3, 2, 3. Alright, so I want you to stand up, walk around,
Okay.
tell me how you feel.
Better.
Better?
Mhm.
Good.
Oh yeah, I feel much better. I'm probably just gonna put like you said, the frozen vegetables or something.
Alright guys,
Good.
until next time.
It feels great.